Right, now your session is getting recording. You can see the bottom, what message you are getting in the bottom of chart. The session is being recorded, or what message you are getting?
No.
Right.
The session is recorded.
Recorded. Okay, now I'll give responsibility to you people. One or two people take the responsibility. Sometimes I may forget. Yeah, session is recording indicates that session is, I already started recording. Uma, you take the responsibility. Like what you know. Suppose sometimes I'll forget to record also. When I will start the session, immediately you check that message whether the bottom the session is being recording message is there or not. If the message is not there, means I didn't click on the recording button. So give me a reminder through the chat that sir, please start the recording. Okay, because every session is important. If anybody missed the session, we can forward the recorded video. Okay. Uma and Seventh, you both take this responsibility. In every batch, I'll give to somebody who are whenever the session I'm unable, I forgot to record, just give me a message, small chat message. Okay. Now let's start the discussion. History of .NET. History of .NET is nothing but how .NET came into the industry. Right. The first question to all the people: do we use, whenever I am asking a question, when I will target the person has to respond orally. Remaining people, please respond through chat. Every question has to respond by all the people, all 16 people has to respond by the chat. Okay, because that is interaction. And every time I'll target one person, I'll speak that name. I'll talk, I'll say Uma, Urmil, or whatever it is. That person has to respond. Right. Is history is important or not important? Right. Shravan.
Yes, sir. It's important, sir.
Right. From Kalyani, why history? Will you use history in .NET? Sorry, in programming?
It doesn't use history in programming, but it gives us core knowledge about the subject, sir.
Core knowledge.
I mean,
For example, history we will never use anywhere in programming, but tomorrow you will go to some interview. In that interview, there is a chance that interview may ask a question that already in .NET platform we have Visual Basic, VC, some other technologies, and why Microsoft has introduced .NET. Then in that conversation, you have to convince the people. For that you need history. History you will never use in programming. Coming to the history of .NET, like how .NET came into the industry. So .NET is the first software development platform for Microsoft. Harsha, .NET is the first software development platform for Microsoft?
No, sir.
Is .NET first? No. What are other software platforms we have under Microsoft family?
The basic DOS operating system.
Yes, especially you can say much popular is before .NET, that is from 1990 to 1998 period. Under Microsoft family, we have three popular software platforms. Number one, popular. There are some other, but mainly number one VB, number two VC++, number three ASP. Means what can I say here? Want to say Windows is the operating system. I am talking about development platforms. Rajnikar. So VB stands for Visual Basic, VC++ stands for Visual C++, ASP stands for Active Server Pages. Before .NET, that is from 1990 to 98, under Microsoft family, we have three software popular development platforms which were very much popular that period. Using VB and VC++, using Visual Basic and Visual C++, okay, we can develop only Windows applications. Windows applications. Okay, Windows applications. About Windows applications we discussed yesterday. Uma, tell me what we discussed about Windows application yesterday.
It's a Windows application is a single user application.
Single user application. Enough. Those single user applications you can develop with the help of VB and VC++. Means VB and VC++ software platforms will support you to develop only Windows applications. Coming to the ASP, ASP stands for Active Server Pages. Using ASP, we can develop only web applications. We can develop only web applications. So with this, these software platforms were doing excellent job in that period. How now people are learning .NET and Java? Those days the people were learning this combination. Either that's a 2000 before people, if you ask, they will tell either VB to ASP combination or VC to ASP combination, because one is Windows application development environment, one is web application development environment. Okay, right, come back to our discussion. But even though which are very, very popular and which are very, very succeeded, it has some limitations. Limitations are number one, platform dependency. Platform dependency. Platform means operating system. Operating system dependency means these technologies will work only on Windows operating system. These technologies will work only on Windows OS. Windows OS means only on Windows operating system we can use. These VB, VC, ASP we cannot run on other operating systems called Linux, Unix and so on. So that is called platform dependency. Second thing is, second limitation is not supporting to develop various types of software applications. Second drawback is not supporting to develop various types of software applications. Means not supporting to develop various types of software application means using VB and VC++, we can develop only Windows applications. Okay, using ASP we can develop only web applications. Means using VB and VC++ we can't develop web applications. Using ASP we cannot develop Windows applications. These are the two limitations. All right. And now Shiva, you tell me what do you mean by platform dependency? Shiva.
Platform dependency is an operating system. These technologies work only on Windows operating system.
Right. Okay. Next, Neha, tell me what do you mean by not supporting to develop various types of applications? Right. Okay, Sravanti, now you explain what do you mean by not supporting to develop various types of applications? Right. Okay, now, right. Yeah. Uma, tell me, what do you mean by not supporting to develop various types of applications?
Using Visual Basic and VC++, we can develop only on Windows application.
Using, we can't develop any other type of application. Using ASP?
We can develop only on web application.
Right. With these limitations, the industry is going like that and the technologies are doing a good job, even though which has limitations. But at the same time, in the year 1995, Sun Microsystem has introduced has introduced a new software platform called Java. In the year 1995, Sun Microsystem has introduced a new software platform called Java. Coming to Sun Microsystem is also a popular software, a top organization in software industry. And at that time, actually, Microsoft and Sun Microsystem are the big competitors. Even though still in the market, they are competitors. So what these people has done, Sun Microsystem people, has understood all the drawbacks of the existing Microsoft technologies, and they designed Java without those limitations. So due to that reason, the main features of Java is a platform independent technology. Java is a platform independent technology, means Java will work on all operating systems. You can run on all operating systems. Second is Java will support to develop various types of software applications. Java will support to develop various types of software applications. Means using Java you can develop a Windows application, you can develop a web application, you can develop a web service. Java supports to develop any type of software application. So finally, because of all these good features of Java, Java is a big hit in the industry. Slowly, what happened, Microsoft existing technology people means VB people, VC++ people, ASP people are attracting towards Java. They are attracting towards Java. So to overcome this situation, Microsoft has to do something. Due to that reason, in the year 1998, in a meeting called PDC. PDC stands for Professionals Developers Conference. In this meeting, again I'm telling you, to overcome this situation, in the year 1998, in a meeting called PDC. PDC stands for 7 Professionals Developers Conference. Professionals Developers Conference. In this meeting, first time Microsoft has announced about .NET. That means they said, we're introducing a new software platform. That platform name is .NET. They have announced about .NET first time in the year 1998 in a meeting called PDC. In PDC, Microsoft has announced about .NET 3 features, 3 promises Microsoft has given. Number 1 is they said .NET, yes, will be platform independent technology. Number 2 is .NET will support. Number 1 is .NET will be platform independent technology. Independent technology means it will work on all operating systems. Number 2 is .NET will support to develop .NET will support to develop various types of software applications. Means no doubt using .NET you can develop Windows application, web application and web service. Like that they said .NET will support to develop various types of software applications. Number 3, the third promise is .NET will support for multiple languages. .NET will support for multiple programming languages. 3 promises that is given. Right. Number 1 is right. Number 1, Harsha. Number 1 is .NET will support for .NET will be a
independent
platform independent technology. Number 2, Bhushan. Harsha, Bhushan is your friend, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Bhushan. Now number 2. Tell me, Bhushan, what is this? Number 2 is what? .NET
Will support .NET will support to develop various types of applications.
means what?
That means it's also platform independent.
No. First point is platform independent. Second point is will support to develop various types of software application means what? Means it will support to
Like
develop Windows
web
application,
applications, Windows applications.
web application, web services, and so on. Okay. Next, the third point
Yep.
is .NET will support for not one programming language. It will support for multiple programming languages. These are all the promises from Microsoft in the year 1998 in a meeting called PDC when they announced about first time about .NET. From 1998 to 2002, that means 4 years period, Microsoft R&D. R&D stands for Research and Development Team has designed .NET. Microsoft R&D team has designed .NET from 1998 to 2002. Microsoft Research and Development team has designed .NET and they have released first version of .NET. They have released the first version of .NET, that is .NET 1.0 in the year 2002. In this way, .NET came into the industry. Whenever you type about history of .NET in internet, you will get lot of stuff, but it will not be in the order. I made it as very simple way. In this way, .NET came into the industry. This is called history of .NET. Again, I am repeating for one more time. Listen. Right. So what is it exactly? You know, listen here. Right. History of .NET. Right. I think you have material with you, all of you. Books are there. All of you have book, right?
Yes.
Book, soft copies you have. Yes. My advice to all the people, you have total 5 books. Its advice is make it spiral. Make it hard copies better. Keep on your desk. Whenever I am asking you to refer particular topic, you have to refer in the class live or before class or sometime. So my advice to all the people, make all the books hard copies, keep on your desk. Right now, we are into introduction of .NET. I think that is there in the first book. First book is what? Step by step C#.NET. Open that book, all of you. Step by step C#.NET book. Open that book, soft copy if you have, open it immediately. Open it. In that, you can find this topic called history of .NET. Just go through it for 2 minutes, all of you. After that, I'll ask you, I'll give you a chance to you people to explain the concept. Yes. Did you find the book, all of you?
Yes.
I don't have. I'll make it tomorrow, sir.
Yeah. Send me the mail. Whoever didn't receive the books, give me a reminder. I'll forward the books to you. 5 books.
Okay, sir.
Right. In that, what is the page number? History of .NET. If anybody are able to recognize the page number, tell me.
3.
Page number 3.
3.
3. Page number 3. Yes, there you may have a material about history of .NET, I hope, after introduction.